Have you ever heard of a company spending millions on an AI project, only to pull the plug months later with nothing to show for it? Yeah, it happens. A lot. We're talking about projects with brilliant minds, cutting-edge tech, and buckets of hype, and still they flop. Why? Today, we're breaking down the real reasons why most AI projects fail. Spoiler, it's not just about bad code. It's deeper than that, sometimes embarrassingly human. Let's start here. AI is the golden child of tech right now. But there's a huge gap between what execs think AI can do and what it actually does. You've got managers dreaming about AI writing entire ad campaigns, predicting customer behavior, or solving logistics overnight, like it's some sort of magic crystal ball. But here's the thing. Most AI today, it's like an overachieving intern. Impressive, but it needs constant guidance, clean data, context, and, sorry to say, hand-holding. Too many companies get drunk on the fantasy and never wake up to the reality until they've burned through their budget. Let's talk about data. You've heard the phrase, garbage in, garbage out, right? It's brutal, but it's true. Most AI models aren't failing because the algorithms are bad. They're failing because the data is a mess. Missing values, conflicting formats, outdated record, biased samples. Imagine trying to learn how to drive using GPS directions from 1998. That's what feeding bad data to an AI feels like. And yet, cleaning data is the most ignored step in the whole process. Why? Because it's boring, time-consuming, and not flashy enough for a TED Talk. Here's where it gets painfully real. You've got data scientists in one corner, business analysts in another, and execs in their own tower. And none of them are speaking the same language. AI projects often crash because there's a disconnect. Tech teams build what they think is needed, but the business folks needed something entirely different. And let's not forget the users, the people who are actually supposed to interact with this AI. Half the time, no one even asks them what they need. So what happens? The final product shows up and it's unusable. It's like building a Ferrari for a farmer who needed a tractor. Okay, let's say the model is trained. It's working. The dashboard looks great. High fives all around. But then, silence. No rollout. No scale-up, just a successful pilot that sits in a folder somewhere gathering digital dust. Why? Because moving from prototype to production is hard. You need IT support, infrastructure, monitoring, change management. And honestly, most companies don't plan for that. They treat AI like a project, not a product. And without that shift in mindset, even the smartest models go nowhere. This one's a bit controversial, but let's go there. A lot of AI projects, they happen just for the buzz. Some exec read a Forbes article and now wants something with AI by next quarter. No clear use case, no ROI model, no strategy, just vibes and pressure. These projects usually end up as flashy demos, dashboards no one uses, or bots that pretend to help, but really just confuse customers. The harsh truth? Not every problem needs AI. Sometimes, a well-designed Excel sheet can do the job better. At the heart of it all, people. You can have the best algorithms on earth. If your team isn't trained, your leadership isn't aligned, and your culture resists change, your AI will fail. Period. Change is uncomfortable. People fear being replaced. Or worse, they don't trust the outputs and ignore the system altogether. It's not about tech adoption, it's about psychological adoption. If people don't believe in it, they won't use it. End of story. So how do you not screw up your AI project? Here's what actually works. Start with a real painful business problem. Not just a tech wish list. Clean your data like your reputation depends on it, because it does. Involve users early, like from day one. Build small, scale wisely, make AI explainable. If people don't understand it, they won't trust it. And for the love of all that's digital, communicate often, clearly, across all departments. Look, AI isn't a silver bullet. It's a powerful tool, but it needs vision, discipline, and, yep, a whole lot of teamwork. If you're building something real, take the time to get it right. Don't rush the hype. Focus on the human side, not just the machine. Because in the end, most AI projects don't fail because of the AI. They fail because of us. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your AI-curious friend, and hit subscribe. Because we've got more no-fluff, real-talk tech content coming your way. Let's build smarter. Together?